There's our magnolia tree. And in the magnolia tree, about 2 feet from the top, some mockingbirds did a nest for their babies. And last night, the babies that were born, they usually have 2 babies, fell onto the ground, fell out of their nest. But the mommy and daddy mockingbirds are taking care of them. They're just hanging out at the base of the magnolia tree. Well, if I hear Mama coming. There's 2 baby mockingbirds. There they are. I hear Mama. Oh, there's Mama over on the fence. There's Mama. She wants to bring some food, so we're gonna leave them alone so that they can eat. Okay, Mama, go feed your babies.
There she comes.
There's Mama feeding the babies. Feed me, Mommy, I'm hungry. I'm hungry too. Oh, she's gonna go get some more worms. She'll be back. They're such good parents. One takes a look out and one feeds. They switch off. Hurry back, Mom and Dad. We're hungry. They're doing pretty good underneath the tree. We've blocked off the patio so that the doggies can't go out there, but they have a doggy area over here to go potty. So we're all set until the birdies fly away. Neighbors are having a party. We have to get our feathers ready to fly. Oh, stretch those wings. Oh, all the birds are up. There they are.